is Peyman Momeni. I've been here 10 years and I'm the managing partner. Right? Sometimes people are worried, oh, well, no, those are things I hear about on TV. That's not me. You know, I don't have anything that an attorney would want to look at or, spend their time on, that sort of thing. I always tell my clients, not just with the case that we're dealing with, but even afterwards, anything that comes up, give us a call. No matter how small it is, it's just a 2-second phone call. We might be able to clarify something, we might be able to help them out. And really, the more informed people are, the better it is for everybody. When we all got each other's back, that's a family unit that's functioning well. And so when one member of that family unit gets hurt, everyone has to deal with their loved one being in pain and seeing that and dealing with that stress. Add to that another layer of some people take it upon themselves to have to be the rock, right? To be strong. And so even when you feel that pain and you feel that stress, you try to bottle it up. You try to not show it because you think that's the right thing for your loved one to see. Well, that's going to take a toll too. The accident doesn't just affect the people involved in the accident. It affects their families, it affects their employers, it affects the people that depend on them. It's a wave that ripples kind of across a number of people. For some people, they're so beaten up and pessimistic by that point that sometimes when that check does come, they're in shock. I've seen people sit where you're sitting crying. I have a young kid, and I can't imagine not being able to pick him up every single day. But there's a lot of my clients that can't do that. Some of them temporarily, some of them permanently. And that's it's difficult for me to even think about, really. I would have answered it differently before I had my own kid. But it's an addiction to how people react when you do a good job for them. My cell phone number is on my business cards. They don't have to go through a whole chain of command to get a hold of me. It's direct. I want to hear about your kids. I want to hear about your bowling league. I want to hear about what you're into. Let's talk. Let's get to know each other.